This morning I wanted some banana nut chocolate chip muffins, so I decided to make me some. This is all-purpose flour. I'm going to use 3 cups. And then I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. That's your dry ingredients, so you just mix those together. You're going to put 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a half a cup of milk chocolate chips. And I used 2 ounces of walnut pieces. And then you give it another mix. Set that to the side and get a little bit bigger bowl. Now you're supposed to have 5 or 6 bananas right here, but the store I went to only had 1 in the whole store. So I improvised. I found banana cream pie pudding. Basically all you want is about 2 cups of smashed bananas, but since I didn't have that, I'm going to make it equivalent to 2 cups of banana tasting mushed up stuff. So I used 3 packs of the banana cream pie pudding, 1 smashed banana, and a little sprinkle of the banana extract. And that's about 2 cups worth right there, so it worked for me. I've done this with just bananas though, and it's good that way too. And then you're going to do about 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, and then 1 cup of oil. I used 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and you stir that up real good too. Once you get that real good and combined, then you're going to take your dry ingredients and pour them over into your wet ingredients. And then you're just going to stir it until it's well combined. You don't want to over stir it. Be sure to scrape the edges and the bottom of the bowl. Make sure you don't have any of that dry mix that's not combined. Once you got that done, you're ready to get your muffin pan out. I'm using liners, but you don't have to. You can just spray the pan if you want to. I knew it wasn't going to make all 24 of these, but I put them out just in case because I wasn't quite sure how many it would make, but it's about 1.5 what it ended up doing. Now, it probably would make the whole 24 if I didn't fill them up so full, but I like a muffin that's kind of mounded over. To me, they look prettier that way. And that's another reason why I do this step right here. I take some of those milk chocolate chips and set them up straight, about 6 or 7 on each one, and they bake so pretty like that. Bake it at 375 for about 20 minutes, but look how pretty they look. They are all done, so I'm going to let them cool on this rack. Oh, man, these were good, y'all. This is me going to give it a taste test. That's what it looks like, y'all. If y'all hadn't tried it, you need to. It is a 10 out of 10.